Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and propagation has been interesting this afternoon. As I was doing other things, I was tuning around sometimes a little bit and came across something I don't hear very often at this time. I mean, it's going to be 21 UT, which is 4 p.m. Sun is going to set in about an hour-ish, a little more. And of course, the gray line close to Montreal and pretty much going close to the Korean Peninsula at 12015. And of course, that noise over it is super darn radar, which is centered just below here. This is one of the radars in the Nunavut region of Canada. Can avoid this by going to upper sideband. So this is the national anthem. We had the interval signal just before. It was actually peaking at S9 almost plus 20 at times about 35 minutes ago. It's the shifting propagation as the gray line moves across the screen, but very interesting. I rarely have Korea in mid-afternoon here. So 21 UT. Radio Marti. I think this is Vatican Radio, I'm not sure. Radio Marti. This is, I think, KNLS out of Madagascar Relay. Madagascar World Voice. Propagation changes real fast. Look at how it's almost disappeared now. Pretty interesting. So, it's a sign that you have to tune regularly and tune all the time. Try the different band scans, try different international broadcast bands. Very surprising what you can get sometimes out of the blue that you would not expect on shortwave.